Welcome back everyone. Up to this point in the course, we focused on setting up the environment and getting comfortable with Python from a tooling or workflow perspective. From here onwards, we move into Python language itself. Now this section is about understanding how Python works, not just its syntax, but its underlying style and philosophy, especially if you are coming from a C# or .NET background. The upcoming lectures in this section are already structured to be watched in sequence. I strongly recommend that you follow them in order because each video builds on concepts introduced earlier, particularly when it comes to Python's dynamic nature, data structure, and control flow. So as a C# developer, some things in Python will feel refreshingly simple. Others may feel unfamiliar or even uncomfortable at first, but that's very natural and it's expected. The goal of this section is not to make Python look like C#, but to help you understand why Python is different and how to work with it confidently instead of fighting it. All right. So once you complete this section, you will have a solid grasp of Python fundamentals, enough to move comfortably into data analytics and data science concepts in the later parts of the course. So take your time and follow the lectures in order and focus on understanding the why, not just the how. Let's get started.